Okay, Chris, so when there is power, I mean this one there is power to it, but there should be a little green light on here. Okay, that just tells you that everything is running okay. And then there's also a little red LED here. So if there's no power, like if either none of those are lit up, then we know that the low voltage side of the board isn't getting power. Okay, the transformer here, this is what supplies power to the low voltage side of the board. So if I unplug that, that's what you're getting, right? Is everything is just dead. So we're going to chase that voltage around, but rather than go from here backwards, we're going to start from the main terminal and just make sure that we have power coming in. So take a voltmeter, set it to volts AC, and you should have 120 volts between the neutral and line 1 connector. Okay, this one here is 122.5. You should have somewhere around 110, 120. And then there should be a jumper between neutral and line 2. And all that we're doing is making these pins neutral pins as well. Okay, so if nothing was connected here, you wouldn't need this jumper. But yeah, so then the other side of the transformer is here. So this is where it gets the 120 volts, goes through the transformer, and then puts 12 volts back into the board. So you can see where the black and white pin line up. Okay, the far right pin and the third one in. So I'm just going to unplug it here and check for that same 120 volts right here. Okay, and you can see on the meter that it is there. If it wasn't there, then it's more than likely going to be this fuse right here is blown. Okay, this is the transformer fuse that protects that there. So there is power there. So I'm just going to plug this back on carefully. And then at the other side of the transformer, you should get around 12 volts AC. Okay, this is 13.6, but anyway, 12, 13, 14 volts, something like that. And then that should be plugged on, supplying power to the low voltage side of the board. So let me know if this red light is on. Make sure this card itself is pushed on nice and firm. And then yeah, you should get a green light there that everything's working.